Hey everyone, are you having voice generation issues in ElevenLabs? Whether your audio sounds robotic, generation keeps failing, the voice changes unexpectedly, or the quality isn't what you expected, most issues can be fixed with a few simple adjustments. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix ElevenLabs voice generation issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, review your script and the voice you've selected. Extremely long text, unusual symbols, or unsupported characters can affect voice generation. If you're generating long content, split it into smaller sections for more reliable results. Next, open the voice settings panel. If your voice sounds unstable, whispers, or changes tone unexpectedly, try increasing the stability setting or reducing style exaggeration. Small adjustments often produce much more consistent results. If the issue continues, try another speech model or a different voice. Some voices perform better than others, and newer production models are generally more consistent than older experimental ones for long-form narration. If you're using a cloned voice, the quality of the original recordings matters a lot. Use clean recordings with minimal background noise, a consistent microphone distance, and a natural speaking style. Poor training audio often leads to inconsistent voice generation. If only part of your narration sounds wrong, regenerate that specific paragraph instead of recreating the entire project. Studio makes it easy to regenerate individual sections, which often fixes glitches, pronunciation problems, or unexpected pauses. If voice generation still fails after trying these steps, visit the ElevenLabs Help Center and contact support. Include your voice name, speech model, screenshots, and the exact error message to help the support team investigate the issue more quickly. For the best results, generate shorter sections, keep your voice settings consistent, avoid extreme style values, use high-quality clone voice samples, and review your narration before exporting. These habits help produce smoother and more natural AI speech, and that's how to fix ElevenLabs voice generation issues in 2026. Whether you're dealing with unstable voices, failed generations, inconsistent narration, or clone voice problems, these troubleshooting steps should help you create smoother, higher quality AI audio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.